How are you? A great pleasure to be with you again. Today we will talk about the following. Know the 7 phases of a couple breakup. Returning is possible. Let us begin. Ending a relationship is never easy. Just the process and all the emotions that go with it can make you feel like you're never going to recover and that you will probably die with a broken heart. The good news? That's not going to happen. Surviving and getting through these 7 phases of a breakup is not only perfectly normal, it is also healthy. Of course, get ready, this is what you can expect. 1. Denial. Accepting the truth that your relationship is no longer working or that your partner no longer wants to be with you can be difficult. But remember, as much as you are the sweetest peach of the harvest, not everyone loves peaches, or simply prefers apples. So instead of checking your phone every 5 seconds waiting for a reconciliation message, or even worse, being the one sending it yourself, take some time for yourself, lean on your friends and family, and try to find comfort and support where you can. We insist, not in your ex's bed. 2. Rage. This is real life, and yes, you have the right to feel angry about the way things turned out, especially if you feel it was unfair or you feel betrayed. However, right now we highly recommend putting out the fire. Doing something drastic when you are absolutely furious is not worth the consequences. 3. Sadness. To be honest, this is perhaps the worst part of the breakup. As if wallowing in your anguish wasn't depressing enough, oddly right now you'll crash head-on with everything that reminds you of him. You will find an old love news hidden between the pages of a notebook, or inevitably whenever you look for something on your cell phone you end up seeing all your photographic roll loaded with what it was. Sure, it doesn't help that you haven't seen another human being in 4 days and you're only eating chocolate. But in reality, this is one of the healthiest stages of a breakup. Allow yourself to feel all the sadness now, and it will be easier for you to move on. Trust. 4. Jealousy and competitiveness. If you've ever had to go through this, you know exactly what we mean. It all starts with logging into your best friend's social media to stalk your ex's accounts, which you've obviously already unfollowed. You get obsessed with her follower list and plunge 92 weeks back into the account of every woman who has liked their photos since the breakup. Now she's my turn, you think. And you start posting photos hoping that he will see it. Okay, maybe it's a little fun. But rest assured, it's not healthy. Be careful and let go. Slowly. The phone. 5. Apathy. This is literally feeling nothing, like being trapped in your own body without having feelings, emotions or concerns for yourself or those around you. Instead, you are completely immersed in your thoughts, processing the new information, that the person you thought was ideal for you turns out not to be. And for that reason you feel completely empty inside. 6. Acceptance. Do you know when something just clicks? And suddenly you understand. You really get it. And you finally manage to come to terms with your loss and, little by little, you start to feel ready to move on. Maybe you still don't remember your ex with a smile on their face, but you know that it's definitely time to get over it. There is only one way to go from here, and that is forward. 7. Hope. The final stage. You did. Amid all the heartache, the coming and going of your emotions, and the emotional instability, you've finally reached a point where you can begin to look to the future. You're ready to try again, and you know he or she is out there. Now, benefit from our experience and our proven strategy to get your ex back. You deserve the opportunity for a happy future with your ex. Click on the link in the description of this video, so we can help you immediately. Do not forget to share the video to help other people like you who are looking for help. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and comment. A pleasure and thanks.